Dear parents, this video is for your reference to pay your wards fee by using the school app called Campus Pro. Please download Campus Pro app in your mobile. Then log in with the details you have received from school. This is the first interface that will be visible to you after logging into your wards account. The first option here is fee payment. Please open this option, fee payment. The interface that will be visible to you is this. Right now it is showing fee detail for the month of April. You can change the month selection just by clicking on drop down menu. If you select month of May, it will show you the fee for the month of May. The heads visible to you here are tuition fee, exam fee, annual fee, fine and total amount. You can also change the amount as per your convenience, that is, you can edit the amount which is already mentioned to you in the cell total amount. After editing the amount as per your convenience, you have to click on pay online. Now after clicking on pay online, the next interface will be this one. The options available for paying fee are credit card, debit card, net banking, UPI, wallet, express payment and phone pay. If you want to pay using Paytm or Google Pay, select UPI option. You can also select another appropriate option as per your convenience. Here we are selecting Paytm. Now enter your UPI address. After entering the UPI address, please click on make payment. This will take some time in processing after clicking on make payment. It will also ask for the confirmation on your Paytm app that you have already installed in your mobile. After the successful payment, it will show you a transaction history against the payment that you have done. In the transaction history, it is showing you some details, and the details are transaction ID, transaction date against the amount you have paid for your wards fee. For now, it is showing pending approval from school because you have paid the fee successfully, but its approval from the school is still pending. As soon as the school approves, a transaction receipt will be generated. Here you can check your wards fee receipt. If you want to pay through check, then click on option buy check. After clicking on buy check, you have to enter few details, and the details that you have to enter are enter check number or transaction number, check date or transaction date, bank details, deposited in which bank, the amount you have paid for your wards fee. Now click the photo of check and upload in the given space and save it. All the details will be saved on Campus Pro app. In this way, you can pay your wards fee very easily and more importantly, very securely. RPS Group of Institutions wish you a healthy and safe living. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.